Okay, guys. Good morning, I think. And firstly, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Aga Fathur Rahman with last study number 161. So today I'm gonna talk about what my illness, what I have about my illness. So actually, I have a illness. I got injured in my middle finger. Yeah, I got a fracture in my middle finger. As you can see, I got fracture. And then the next question is, why did it happen? Why did it happen? Uh, okay, so actually, this accident happened when I got internship in PT Taco Indah Corporindo in Serang City. So when I will explain you. I will explain you or describe you about the uh, the accident. So when I got the injured, yeah. At the time I handled the raw material. The raw material is really heavy. I handled the raw material because that's the SOP, of course. And then when I handled the raw material, my middle finger, is it stuck. It was stuck. It was stuck in the between raw material and the platform because the raw material is moved. The shape of the raw material is circle. When the raw material moved, my middle finger got stuck between raw material and the platform. And Sarah, it happened. It was happened. So the next question is, how did you feel physically and emotionally? Yeah, of course, I got a pain in my middle finger. I got a really pain in my middle finger. So how about what what about my emotionally? Mm, when it was happen, it's really make me sad. It's really make me sad, of course. So did it affect your daily activities? Yeah, of course, because it was happened to my middle finger, that your hand is make your activities, make your day more productively. But when you got fracture in my middle finger, of course you cannot doing something like you grab your what something like glass. You cannot grip the motorcycle, something like that. It's more make your uh, activities not productively. And then next question is, what treatment did you receive? Okay, so of course, this injury or this fracture it cannot handle by uh, by something like person another person. It's more need more specific like doctor. Yeah. After I got fracture in my finger, I went to hospital. And then I got a brace. Of course, I got a brace in my middle finger from doctor. And of course, I have to use medicine. I have to use uh, I have to use medicine in my middle finger. And then how long did you take to recovery? I think I don't remember. I don't I don't remember what time, what the specific time when I recovery this middle finger. But I think approximately 2 until 3 months when I got this when I want to recover this injury. Okay. So what helped you recover? Of course, something like when I doing rest, it's more helpful to me to recover this injury. I have to rest, of course. And then the next question is, and then the next question is, what did you learn from this experience? So, uh, when it happened, I learned to be more carefully for the whole activities that I do, of course. And I don't betray anyone. And I learned to be more relaxed. I learned to be more better than before. I learned to be more carefully, and then I don't betray anyone, and then this make me more what is that? Yeah, I think carefully to doing something like that or anything else. So how did you change your lifestyle or habit? Actually, uh, this accident not make my lifestyle change or habit, but but I think I have to more carefully to doing something something like when I drive my motorcycle, when I go so far, when I doing exercise like gym or running. I have to more carefully, of course. And then and then from this accident, from this accident, mm, I learned to be more uh, realize that everything everything happens to me. It's come from it's also come from me, of course. And then the next question is, okay, summarize and give advice. Okay, the summarize is the first one. I got injured or fracture in my middle finger, and then I went to hospital and I got an operation, and I recovered this fracture approximately 2 until 3 months, and then yeah, it changed my life. Mm, I will give you advice. Yeah. So you have to more carefully when you do something. What do you want to do? Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.